Hello. Okay, this is really the last thing. So on Monday, your classmates will have uploaded their presentations, and the very last thing that you need to do for class then is give some peer feedback. Okay, so this is going to be due at the end of finals week. You have until May 22nd, the last day of class, to do this. So that gives you time once your peers upload their stuff. Okay, and it's very, very simple. You're just giving feedback to 5 projects that are posted in the class stream. Okay, so once those are uploaded, you just give some comments. Okay, what we want you to do is think 5 by 5. So leave comments for 5 people, give them 5 pieces of feedback each. Okay, and they could be things that presentation did really well. It could be questions you had. It could be things you would like to see more of. Okay, so I'll show you really quickly how to do that. Oh, and then after you're done, just do this really quick check to show that you have done it. Okay, so in the stream, you will see all these projects posted. So imagine it's Monday and you see like 20 projects posted, right? So for example, maybe I look at Miss Hanson's project, student Miss Hanson, okay? So I take some time to look at her 3 attachments. Fascinating. This is just a blank response. Interesting. Okay, so I review all of them. Obviously, these are all instructions, so pretend this is like a real project, right? Okay, then I'm going to add some comments. So I need to add 5 quick pieces of feedback. Okay, so I'm going to say, hi, Hanson. I wonder, and because this person didn't actually put anything, what is your book? One positive thing that they did was upload all parts, right? So and maybe I could put a piece of feedback like, next time, you should review to make sure that you have actually uploaded your presentation. And then something positive. These are all very clear and easy to follow. I'm having too much fun laughing at myself, etc. Okay, so leave 5 comments for that person and then just hit this. So then you've got your class comment there, okay? When you have done that, again, and this is just so Mr. Watkins and I know you've done it, go back to classwork, do that quick check, and it's super, super easy. Oh, there it is. It will simply ask you to put your name, put how many people you gave feedback to. It looks like it's not really loading here. Oh, here it is. And then list their names so we can double check that. Note you need at least 5 people that you give feedback to, but if you do more than 5, you get some extra credit. Okay? You got this. Good luck. Bye.